Chief out of flight, nigga can't even see me. I'm way out of here, I'm too far in the sky.
Hey guys, this is Anon, Thug Young, you know what I'm saying? We're living life. We got here my boy Emmer Ortega, and we finna go to Walmart today. And we'll catch y'all later, boys, when we at Walmart. Hey, we back at it again now. We at Walmart now. We lost Emmer. We got Abdamalik here. Sure. And then we got Garrick and Z now, because I don't know where Emmer went, but we're gonna start doing the sneeze prank, alright, boys? The cameraman, Scholar.
Yeah. I'm on meth.
Z.
She did this. Hey, when you be behind the aisle, you know? Yeah. When you see that too, keep on getting good.
You got it, bro.
I ain't got you. People in the aisle.
Hey, I'm gonna get that dude. You guys spread out. I need to get him that high.
Are we getting?
I don't know. How do you point when you see the person? Think he gonna swing?
He doesn't. Go get them girls.
I don't look good for you. You see.
Bro.
Videoing people. That's weird.
I hate this game, bro. It's so hard to get people.
It's a bust.
Hey, put the camera down, bro. It's digital. You need to keep around. They left before I could even do it. Oh my god. We gotta find before you even win. Bro, we gotta find the people that's in the aisle. So we should just go to the food aisle. They might be hungry niggas there. You know, fat ass niggas be buying food every year.
Ah, fuck. Fucked out my elbow.
But only I saw this.
Give me this. No, oh, fuck. Fuck. Look. These two foods are in here. You nigga pasted it on there. Them niggas scattered.
Shit. She's like, no. Come on. Z.
Nah, here. I was just.
Watch it. Watch it. So.
Did you hear what he said? He said stupid fucking niggers.
Say, oh god, he said stupid fucking niggers.
On God.
He said stupid fucking niggers. Oh god. The moment I sneezed on him.
The guy.
Hey, bro, look at them boys.
Bro, we gotta tell him.
Yeah, boys, what's up, boys?
Bro, a skinhead just called this kid the N-word.
YouTube channel.
A skinhead just called this guy the N-word.
I'm doing the sneeze thing, bro. I did the Adana, he said, you fucking niggers.
You're a lolly.
Oh, God.
That's messed up. I'm not trying to be in the video.
Hey, let's go.
Alright, my fault. Subhanallah. Subhanallah. Bro, I can't believe he said that.
What?
Chief out of flight, nigga can't even see me on way out of here.